Hey, what's up, you guys? I am going to make me a cough remedy. Okay, when you have a bad cough, this is something very good to do. Okay, you have your extra virgin olive oil and make sure it's cold pressed. I have my oregano. You can have the oregano oil. I have my 2 lemons, and also I have 2 garlic. And make sure you have that honey. Okay, let's get started. We're going to put in some olive oil. Okay, I'm going to squeeze me some lemon. Okay, let's squeeze all this lemon in here. Okay, I'm going to put me some honey. That is very good for you. Okay, and I am going to put me some oregano. Now, you can get you some oregano oil, but this is what I have now. Okay, and then I'm going to put me a little black pepper. Just a little, because I love black pepper. And now I'm going to take my garlic, and I am going to try to smash it a little bit, if it'll allow me to. I might just have to cut it. Let me just cut it. I can cut it. I can eat garlic whole, so it doesn't matter. Oh, that's going to taste real good. This is my cough remedy. Okay, take you 2 pieces of garlic. This is a great time for this. Okay, get all this garlic in here. Take that piece and put it over there. You don't want that end piece because it's going to be too bitter. Okay. And I'm going to squeeze the rest of this lemon in it. This is going to be good. I also make salad dressing out of this. I put a little more herbs and stuff in it. But guys, this is it. Take you a spoon and you stir. Make sure it's a little thick, and then that honey will make it a little thicker. Oh, guys, I do not put any apple cider vinegar because the lemon is that bitter taste plus garlic as well. Okay, a little more honey for inflammation. Okay, guys, this is a